What's going on, everyone? Today's the 19th of July, 2023. We're here to talk about Disney, and maybe it might be a good idea not to wait to sell this stock. There's something major that has occurred on the price chart that I want to talk to you all about that could give us that same idea. So let's talk about it, because I did a price prediction in Disney, and it was here on July the 5th, okay? And I told you that I was looking for the price in Disney to go higher, right? But only to the point that price in Disney was going to hold here on our support line at $87.25, right? Well, that did not hold. That's the reason why it may be a good idea not to wait to sell this stock, because this area, $87.25, was very crucial for us to see whether or not the market buyers were going to be biased and buy the stock there. Seeing that the market in Disney broke that level right here yesterday, July the 17th, 2 days ago, that tells us that the sentiment is changing. That those buyers who once held Disney back here on these days, the 29th of June, and they bought here on the 1st of June, the 31st of May, the 30th of May, and going all the way back to March 2020, those same individuals has decided not to buy Disney on the 17th. When they don't buy, we shouldn't be buying either. The same individuals, institution who was buying Disney to hold price, they didn't show up on the 17th. And we also saw back-to-back indicators of weakness on the 14th, and then another one on July the 17th. That's it. This price prediction that I created, it didn't play out. And it's cool, because we already knew what we were up against, seeing that price, once it broke below 87.25, that the market was through with the idea that it was bullish. So yeah, this one didn't work out. So if we were to gather the market now in Disney, we'll be down 4.92%. It happens. And the moment that it does happen, you need to recognize it as soon as possible and say, all right, cool. I need to be a seller. I need to be a bear. I need to expect price to continue to go down, because the market ultimately in Disney did not fare well, trying to hold at 87.25, 87.50, which all goes to the point that this downtrend in Disney is still applicable. This stock is massively weak. Massively weak. So be careful of anyone trying to drum up sentiment of being a bull, of being a buyer in Disney, because this chart is not reflecting it. Be prepared. Earnings is coming up next month, August the 9th. Okay. Now, by us continually being in this downtrend in Disney, that day may cause a euphoric move to the upside. Like, let's not get it twisted. When you say a market continue to go one direction, it's going to need some type of catalyst to break that movement and switch it and let it go the other direction, higher in this particular situation. Okay, so let's bring this back down again. On the 2-day chart, again, this shows you how weak the market is in Disney. We have an up fake and a push to go down all in one bar. That tells you that this market is definitely weak, and it combines with the weakness that occurred here on this previous earnings. Okay. Let's look at Disney on the 3-day. This is the completed 3-day price bar in Disney here. Look at what occurs into the market in Disney. This is the 3-day time frame. So every price bar that we're seeing right now is 3 days worth of trading. And this is the dominant price bars off this 3-day chart. Here's the first one. Weakness. What happened after this 3-day price bar? Price went down. This is the second one. Another indicator of weakness. What happened to the market in Disney? It went down. And this is the third one. What do you think is going to happen? Especially seeing that the market did not hold 87.25, price closed below it. This market is weak in Disney. Here it is on the 5. Okay. The only reason why I was bullish on my previous video was because of this 87.25. Now I already see that the market hasn't broken that to the downside. Okay. So I'm done. Then we're going to put this on the chart. We're going to look for Disney to continue to go lower. The first resistance area is going to be 87.25, 87.50. Why? Because previously this is where buyers were. Well, when we see the market run up, this is where we're going to expect the sellers to be. Okay. That's our first area. Now we had to zoom out because we haven't seen price in Disney hit these areas, these prices, probably about 3 years ago. It's been 3 years in Disney since the market has came to this area. 3. And when you see this market here, the next area of support, my first target would be around 84.25. Second is going to be 80. 84.25 is my first target. 80 is my second. Okay, so let me zoom in and put that on the chart. 84.25. So let's just do 84. That's 2.34% there. And then 80 is my second target, which is 7% move to the downside in Disney. And we're going to allow this market, even if it breaks back up above 84.25, if it doesn't ultimately break above 90, then we'll have to continue to expect this price to be weak in Disney. Okay, so that's it. I am done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know how low you think price in Disney is going to go, or do you think it's going to quickly jump back up above our 84.25 price level? Okay, so I'm through. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.